I just bought If You Care parchment paper, and this is perfect for all your baking and cooking needs. It has a 70 square foot roll, and it's also compostable too. Perfect. It also is coated with silicone on both sides, and it's also 70 square feet. Pretty large, right? And it's also 13 inches in length. This is also chlorine-free, and it's unbleached too. Perfect. And today we're going to be making spaghetti squash. So this is perfect to line up your baking sheet, just like this. And there's also a sharp cutting area right here, so you can easily tear it off. And when not in use, you can just tuck this in and you're good to go. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of the box. Here's a close-up of the paper. Very nice quality. The spaghetti squash is done, and look how nice this looks. Making spaghetti squash is a must every week in our household. We just love it. It's so healthy and tasty too. And definitely using parchment paper, such as If You Care, is ideal because who wants to clean up the baking sheets afterwards? And you know, it gets caked on, and as you can see, it would have made such a mess, but instead it's nice and clean. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.